Okay, I am at my new Rain Dance Ranch location in Chino, California again. So, if you can't tell, I am at a community garden. Wow, somebody got this spot. I don't remember it looking like this when I signed up. I signed up about a week and a half ago, and due to circumstance, I wasn't able to make it in. But they had some events that I missed. So that planting area looks larger than mine. But anyways, I believe this is 12 by 12 actually. And this is my new garden. This is the new Rain Dance Ranch. It's a 12 by 12 plot in Chino, California, and I couldn't be happier about it. So I can't wait to see what I can make happen here. It came with a hose, a sprayer, and a drip system. And I'm here today to check them out and maybe start pulling up some of the weeds and get this baby started. Crystal from the Rain Dance Ranch, Chino, California. When it rains, go out and dance.